In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails from one sender in Outlook. By the end, you'll know the quickest, safest way to find every message from a specific sender and remove them in one go, while avoiding the common pitfalls that leave stray emails behind. Start by clicking into the search bar at the top of Outlook. In that search box, type from, followed by the sender's exact email address with no spaces. This special filter tells Outlook to show only messages that came from that one sender. Give the results a moment to load. Depending on your version of Outlook and how many messages you have, you might initially see just a portion of the full list. If you suspect there are more, scroll down through the results. As you scroll, Outlook loads additional batches, so keep going until you reach the bottom to ensure everything is visible. Next, click anywhere in the results list to make sure it's active, then press Ctrl-A on Windows or CMD-A on a Mac to select all the messages that are currently loaded. You should see the selection highlight across the list. If you scrolled and more messages appeared after your first Select All, press the Select All shortcut again to include the newly loaded items. When everything is selected, right-click and choose Delete, or simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. Outlook will move those messages to your deleted items folder. A couple of quick tips for accuracy. The From filter works best when you use the exact email address of the sender. If you notice any messages that don't belong in the selection, you can deselect them before deleting by holding Ctrl or CMD and clicking individual items. Also, search scope matters. Outlook can search just the current folder or your entire mailbox, depending on your settings. Make sure you're searching in the area where those messages actually live so you don't miss any. If you change your mind right after deleting, open your deleted items folder and restore anything you need by moving it back. Otherwise, leave them there until you're ready to permanently remove them. Remember, the key to catching every last message is to scroll through the results to load them all before using Select All, and to confirm the list truly reflects only that one sender. That's it. Thanks for watching.